Have you ever pondered over what the future of digital finance might look like? What if the power to control transactions and contractual agreements was not in the hands of a few centralized authorities, but was decentralized, giving power back to the people? Enter Ethereum, the game changer in the world of cryptocurrencies. Ethereum is not just another digital coin in the vast sea of cryptocurrencies, it's a decentralized platform that empowers individuals and organizations to create decentralized applications, also known as dApps, and their own tokens. Marking a shift from simple transactions to a platform for innovation, Ethereum was the brainchild of Vitalik Buterin, who envisioned a future where decentralization was the norm. The lifeblood of Ethereum is Ether, its native cryptocurrency. But Ethereum's reach extends far beyond simple transactions. It has become an indispensable tool for businesses, helping them create secure, transparent supply chains. Ethereum ensures the traceability and authenticity of products right from their creation to the moment they reach consumers. The backbone of Ethereum is smart contracts. These are self-executing agreements written in code that have revolutionized industries such as finance, real estate, and insurance. With the advent of smart contracts, gone are the days of lengthy paperwork and intermediaries. Now, agreements can be executed automatically when predefined conditions are met, making processes more efficient and cost-effective. Ethereum has also played a pivotal role in the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. It has enabled traditional financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading to be conducted without intermediaries, bringing financial inclusion to the masses. Now, anyone with an internet connection can access financial services that were once reserved for the elite. But the impact of Ethereum doesn't stop there. It has paved the way for the creation of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These digital assets represent ownership of unique items such as artwork, collectibles, and even virtual real estate. Thanks to Ethereum's blockchain, artists, gamers, and content creators have found a new way to monetize their creations. So why invest in Ethereum? Apart from offering a stake in the future of decentralized technology, owning Ether supports a platform that's continuously pushing the boundaries of innovation. Ether also fuels transactions and the deployment of smart contracts on the Ethereum network, making it an essential asset within the ecosystem. In an era where trust in centralized institutions is declining, Ethereum stands as a beacon of transparency, security, and opportunity. It's not just a cryptocurrency. It's a gateway to a decentralized future where power belongs to the people. Investing in Ethereum is more than just a financial decision. It's a vote for a world where everyone has equal access to economic empowerment and innovation. To sum it up, Ethereum has redefined the concept of cryptocurrencies, stretching it beyond simple transactions. It has revolutionized industries with smart contracts, fueled the rise of DeFi, and enabled the creation of NFTs. Ethereum is not just a platform, it's a vision of a decentralized future, and owning Ether is a step towards that future.